Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Y'all come on in, make yourself comfortable. By the way, to all you moms out there, happy Mother's Day. And I hope you and your family have had a great Mother's Day together. And for those of us that are missing our moms today, a little extra prayer for you folks. A few weeks ago, I had put up a video about making a mallet and said because I had reached 500 subscribers that I would give that mallet away. Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to give away the mallet. So we will have a drawing at the end of this video. Got the names in a bowl. At the end of this video, we will draw one of those names and see who is the winner of the mallet. So before we do that, let's go ahead and talk about a few other things. This last week, I uploaded a video on how to turn a wrench into a tenon cutter. So yes, we took just a common, ordinary, open-end wrench, ground a edge on it, and turned it into a tenon cutter. I demonstrated how to use the tool and then let everybody see just how snug a fit into a 3/4 inch hole drilled by a Forstner bit it was. So you got a good fit there. I had used those tools many times in the past, especially when I was doing a lot of finials and the little 1/4 inch tenons and then some other things I did that had little 3/8 inch tenons, because it just makes it so easy to go in there and size a perfect tenon each time. And so hopefully that video helped a lot of folks. I know I got more views on that than just about anything else that I have uploaded in the same period. If you hadn't seen it, go in there and watch it. By the way, speaking of watching, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and go down to the bottom, hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps me to get the information to more turners, and that's the whole reason for doing these, is to help to educate, motivate, and get folks back in their shops turning. So we didn't get a lot of videos uploaded this week. In fact, only one. I expect to do a little bit better this week. Hopefully we'll go ahead and get that screwdriver video uploaded. And I'm still working on editing some of the wig stand video to get that completed. Good Lord willing, we'll get both of those up this week. If not, they will be up soon. We did have some questions. We had one viewer ask, what finish did we put on the twig pots? Well, you guys have seen the series I've done on what you can make from a limb, and most of that is all green wood. And I will always advise, when you're turning green wood like that, let's put a coat of Danish oil or antique oil or some kind of sealing oil on that to keep it from cracking. So speaking of that, you guys that saw the video that I did of the mallet, notice no cracks. I put antique oil on that, and then I also coated it with some beeswax. But that was absolutely, and is absolutely, green wood. It's been drying for about 3 weeks now with no cracking whatsoever. I did have it in a paper bag so it would slow down the drying process. It's one of those things that absolutely works. If you can seal that wood so that it dries out slower, you will reduce or eliminate cracking on green wood. One other thing, on the tenon wrench video, that is, those are made from open-end wrenches. I was really quite surprised by several folks that were making statements that their chuck didn't go down that small, or the video was worthless because their chuck jaws were so much bigger than that. Folks, that was never meant to be for tenons for chucks. First of all, most of your chucks are going to need some sort of profile and not a straight tenon anyway. For those of you that didn't speak up, I just want to make sure that everybody understands. The tenon wrench tool is not for chucks. Even if you could get a wrench big enough, that still would not be a good idea, okay? just like to thank everybody from watching. I still am absolutely blown away by the number of comments and the great feedback that I'm getting. The fact that just a couple of weeks ago, we were doing a mallet drawing or a mallet giveaway for 500 subscribers, and we're setting at over 630 today. Just absolutely blows my mind. I can't thank you folks enough for watching. Hopefully I'm doing my part in sharing some good information, and you're getting some learning some stuff from the videos that I'm doing, and hopefully I'm motivating you to get back out in the shop and create some turnings of your own. With that said, let's get this done. Let's find out who won the mallet, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put myself up in the corner, and we're going to put the bowl here. We're going to stir this booger up a little bit. And again, I am not looking at the bowl, I'm looking at you folks. So just for everybody's knowledge, there was actually 40 people that went into the comments and put subscribed, or put mallet and subscribed. And in other words, they wanted to win the mallet. So here we go. Let's get one right out of the middle here. Make sure I've just got one in my hand and see who won the mallet. Okay, you folks ready? Okay, this is Clockworth _ Bard. Everybody can see that right there. That's the name that came out. And Mr. Clockworth Bard, if you would get in touch with me or message me, I'm on Facebook as Dean's Woodworking, and you can message me there, or just let me know how to get in touch with you. We'll get your address and we'll get that mallet in the mail to you. Just for everyone else, thank you so much for participating, and I really appreciate you watching the videos, the comments, the support. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.